family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is Everyday Our Natural Hair and Beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. I personally just want to invite all of our new subscribers right now to the channel. As you guys see, our channel is growing and we have a lot of new members. So welcome to the family. I hope you love it here. If you have any hair issues, just leave your comment down. Some people will reply to you, and I also take time during my day to answer all questions down in the comment section. So let's just jump right into this video. So in 2016, I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. And I also used to use a lot of heat and chemicals on my daughter hair. So that was a awakening for me when I was diagnosed with alopecia. I decided to stop using relaxer and whip up my own DIY 100% natural ingredients right in my kitchen to be able to grow my daughter and myself hair out. So I transitioned for 5 months and I did my big chop in October of 2016. And I also cut my daughter hair very short, and I am also able to grow her hair out and also my hair out. Number one, by the grace of God. Number two, with my DIY's natural ingredients and with my consistency of using those ingredients. Now, when it comes to natural hair and when it comes to hair, it needs attention. Some people are lucky they can leave their hair and it wouldn't knot up, which will cause a lot of breakage and it would just grow. If you are one of that person, then I'm so excited for you and I'm so happy for you. But when it comes to my daughter and myself here, I need to be constant with keeping her hair healthy, because when I leave her hair even for a week, it all just knotted up together and that just causes more work on me. So I try to do her hair once a week, and I also treat my hair once a week. Now, if you are here because of all my DIYs ingredients and you want to know how to use them and how to make them, in today's video, I'm going to be only concentrating on the tools that I use to create my DIYs ingredients, because I've been getting a lot of questions on things that I use, and you guys been asking me where I get them from, and you want to know for you to also go and pick them up. This video is not about ingredients, it's only about the tools that I use or the utensils and things that I use to prepare my DIY ingredients. Now, another thing I want to tell you guys also, I am based within the USA. I moved to the USA in 2016. My family lives here, but I was in Ghana. I normally used to be in and out. I didn't want to live in the USA, but for some reason in 2016, I relocated to the USA for good. So I am a US base, but sometimes I get you guys asking me about my ingredients if I do ship within the USA mangrove oils, because majority of my ingredients, they are just DIY that I show you guys how to make it for yourself. I don't sell them, so I'm not getting money from them, but I have my selected growth oils that I make, which is my S Secrets growth oil, my caffeine growth oil, and then I also have organic neem oil and macadamia nut oil, and my raw shea butter that I import from West Africa, Ghana. So I am a US base. So if you want to order, you can order it. You will get your product by USPS. I mean, it's just funny because sometimes when I see you guys comments, oh, are you based in Africa? I even saw a comment that, wow, she's really doing good with her videos, because back in Africa, they don't even have electricity. I can just laugh because we do have electricity back in Ghana. But anyway, those are the things that make my day. and I just laugh over it. But these equipment, you can pick them up from Amazon.com. You can also pick them up from Publix, which is a US based company. You can also pick it up from Walmart, which is also a US based company. So it's just funny. I'm sorry, but I just needed to get that off my chest, and I just needed to share the fun with you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna be introducing to you guys is my blender, because you guys always been asking about it. And this is the Ninja. This is the Neutral Ninja Pro. I can't remember where my husband picked this up from because he bought it. I will ask him, and then I will also leave that information down in the description box for you guys. So this is my blender. Before that, I have my little small, teeny tiny little blender, and it broke on me, but this is the cup for it. If you can see how small it is, so you should know the blender was small. So that broke on me. That's why hubby picked up this one. And it also come with a metal cup. And then I normally use this for my juices if I want to make homemade juice, and then also for cooking. And then it also come with two blades. This is one, the other one is either in the dishwasher. And also have some extra cups that come with it. You can also find this on Amazon.com. I will leave my Amazon store link down in the description box, just in case if you want to check it out and pick up one for yourself. The good thing about DIY ingredients, you can just pick things up from around your home. Once it's good for inside, you should also know it's good for the hair, right? That's how I feel. That's why I use food on my hair. I eat it and I use it on my hair. That's just me. Am I weird? I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, so moving to the next tools that I use. I got my measuring spoons and measuring cups. I first started off with this, and then I just upgraded these ones, so you guys will see this a lot in 2021. And I picked this up from Publix, based in the USA. I picked this up from there. And sorry if these things are being so loud. Now the next thing that I got my sifter. Now most of my ingredients, because for sifting, I got various sizes. I picked these ones from Amazon.com, and then I can also use them if I'm making like my powder. You guys know I also change my seeds into powder, and then I also change my fresh aloe vera into aloe vera powder, and I use this smaller sifter for that. The next thing on my list is for my screening. Some of my ingredients also calls for me to screen them. I use my cheesecloth. This is how it's looking. I also picked this up from Amazon. So if you guys are a lazy shopper like me, I just love to sit back because I work from home, and I just love to sit back and order stuff. So most of my things I just order it from online, and majority of them I order it from Amazon.com. So this is my cheesecloth, and this is also my stocking that I use for screening. Now this is just a regular weave cap stocking, but I use this specifically for my DIY ingredients. I don't use it on my hair or on my weave or wig, which I don't wear weave or wig like that. I prefer to wear my natural hair out in braids or twist. And but this is what I use to also screen. Some of you guys were asking if this is just a regular stocking. Yes, it is. It screens my ingredients very good, so that's why I love it. Now, one of my most important that I cannot live without is my spray bottle. This spray bottle, not this particular spray butter because I got a lot of spray butters, but spray butter, I love them so much because when I make my DIY ingredients and I screen them and I pour them into this, it is just so easy for me to apply it to my scalp and my hair. As you guys know, our hair grows from our scalp inside of follicles. So if you are concentrating your ingredients on your follicles, it gives you a healthy follicle, so the hair that coming out is healthy. Once it come out, it's already there, so that's why you need to also concentrate your ingredients on your scalp. So my spray butter, it really get the job done for me. That is why I love to use spray butters. Now the next things on my list is my mixing bowl. Oops, sorry, I just hit the tripod. It's my mixing bowl and my mixing spoon. Being that I am very heavy-handed when it comes to my DIYs ingredients, so I love a bigger bowl that I can make a lot, and my hair is very thick, so I make a lot of these, and majority of my DIYs, you will see that it's full, very full to this bowl, and it can cover my entire hair and scalp. I am not a miser, like my little daughter call me, mommy miser. I just love to save on things that I wish I can save on. If I see something that I don't have to save on it when it comes to my hair, yes, I'm not a miser on that, but there are many other things I'm a miser on. When something is not broken, I'm not going to change it. I can rather use that money to help family members or help friends that need it. But yes, I just wanted to throw that out. So my DIY ingredients, I make a lot, and I need my mixing bowl and my spatula for that. And then I also got my empty containers. This is my empty jar. Yes, I got this from the Dollar Tree. Many of you guys been asking me where I picked this up from. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. This cost me only $1. But if you want to pick this up from Publix, they have similar type. You're gonna be paying about $5, anywhere under $10 for it. But I paid $1 for this, and I got 3 more down here. I use these if I want to further infuse my DIY growth oils. So I use these. Now I also got my empty butters for my oils. I love this type of empty butters because I can just concentrate it directly on my scalp, my growth oils directly on my scalp. It just make life so easy for me. And then I can just close it and open it. And it's also good because it can come out, but there's nothing going in. And you guys know when it comes to DIY ingredients, especially my oils, I don't use preservatives because I want it to be 100% natural. So if you have something like this that it only comes up of water, it's not going in, that's great. Oh, I need a cup of tea because it's already. Now the next thing that I have is my empty jar that when I make my DIY butters, I keep them in this, and I also use these like for my DIY skincare. I also make DIYs for my skin. I know, I'm so sorry you guys been asking me for my skincare routine. It's very simple, but I'm still gonna try to upload that video for you guys in 2021. That I promise I'm gonna do. So I got my empty container. Now the next thing on the list is this, my pot. When I'm doing my double border infusing my growth oils, you guys been asking me a lot about this pot. You can get this from Publix. I picked this up from Publix. Unfortunately, I couldn't get this from the Dollar Tree, so I got this from Publix. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was under $15. So you can pick this up from Publix. It's my thinner. This also come in very handy when I need to transfer my ingredients to add a butter or so. It just keep my surrounding clean, that I don't have to spill things around. And then I also got this my bowl and a bigger sifter if I want to sift things, that leaves or my rice when I'm making my black rice water and I just want to sift it up. And I also use this for washing my ingredients and stuff. It's just easy to handle. And I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. This was $1. This was $1. What else do I have here? Yes, I think these are the things that I really reach for, or that is really important to me when I'm making my DIY ingredients. If you have seen anything which I didn't mention in this video, you can leave your comment down and I will respond to you and let you know where I got it from. Of this video, do not forget to give me a like, and I wish all of you guys a prosperous 2021. I pray that all your hair dreams come through and that you have the patience to be able to take better care of your hair in 2021. If your 2021 resolution is to grow long and healthy hair, then I am along with you on that journey. Hope to see all of you guys in 2021, and I wish all of you guys a prosperous 2021. I will see you in 2021. Bye bye.